Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been way too long. I've been dying to get out and make some content, and what better content to make than a lovely snow day. Yes, I'm out in Daly. It's for the first time in years down in Essex. It's actually snowing. We're always the last ones in the country to get snow down here, so yeah, I'm going to enjoy tonight, make the most of it because it only lasts one night. Now, I'm not sure how well you can see me on this GoPro. Obviously it's dark, and that is because the lovely British weather system has decided that it's only going to give us snow on a work day. So I'm out with a couple of mates. We're in our cars separately. Critters have been out and tried to stop our fun, but that ain't worked. It's got actually really heavy, and it's at that point now where the snow is actually overpowering the grit that they've laid down for us. So there's Tom out in front in his Beamer estate. Yeah, we're going to go for a little drive around, find some nice empty car parks and spots, and hopefully enjoy the night. Try and be safe. Here we go. Sliding already. Yeah, if it was good to actually be out in the car for, well, I'm not even in the ST, I'm in the Daily, but that makes it more enjoyable because I don't have to care as much. I mean, I do have some mechanical sympathy still, but nowhere near as much as what I would in the ST. I mean, if anything happens to that, I'll probably cry. Oh, this was our spot a couple of years ago. I was sliding around here, and yeah, it's worked out well. You've been over it once, it's not ice. Nothing this side, mate. With a mono. Oh, there we go, there's a slight little air.
Yes, Dal. Let me zoom in on this shit. I've got cameraman.
What are we gonna get? So,
Tom's taking my Fiesta for a spin. Oh. The laugh. No noise. I'm going for one more. Oh, sounds like he's gone. Just instantly went. Yeah, I think it's time to call it out. It's too icy now.
Go, mate.
My bad.
Oh, you're on it. You don't see it?
I see it. I tried to stop.
Yeah, too bad, is it?
I don't think so.
Good.
I got flat, I think.
Are you joking, have you?
I got flat. What? I got flat. Oh, fuck off. Yeah.
It was really well.
Yeah. Fuck, it's not a nice thing. I know. I can stop. No, no, I've got no fucking Alright, did you see that? Alright, let's try and get it off. Yeah. Probably forwards. Yeah.
Have you got a spare? I'll get a punch on what's back. Fuck you, Luke, just stay here.
Fucking suicide, Jack.
Give me my glove back!
Ow, it's mine.
Right, so it's proper coming down now. We just stopped at the garage. As you see, tonight was pretty eventful. I'm going to call it a night there before anything gets any more broken. But it's been fun nonetheless. I don't really care about the car, so at least it wasn't the ST. I'll catch you on the next one in better weather.